We knew we had to do something special. We knew we had to set ourselves apart. Porsche has such a rich rally heritage. The new 911 Dakar really gave us the inspiration for what became our vision. And now we needed the perfect car.
Air-cooled 911s have always held a very special place in my heart, and I was honored to be chosen to lead the search. As soon as I saw it, I knew it was exactly what we were looking for.
So we went to work. Help from the Keen project was essential in making this a functional all-terrain vehicle. After installing the off-road suspension, we came to a point in our process where we found to elevate our entry, we were going to have to get creative. So we decided to modernize our Safari 911. Our goal was to tribute anything we could to Porsche heritage. We installed an RS 2.7 style ducktail, and because the factory fascias didn't provide enough ground clearance, we had 70s RSR style replacements fabricated. After spending countless hours, our vision was coming to life, and we turned a meticulous eye for detail every step along the way. Everyone came together, from our parts department to our paint booth. All the vendors involved, and it was all surrounded by our shared passion for Porsche. We now realize the purpose of this journey is not just to create a special car, but to create lasting bonds. United in making something exceptional, we have a work of art we can all claim as our project.